lecture number 6. Let us start with the method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Now the very first thing, what will you do, just make two separate compartments. Okay, left hand side में लिखने का aldehydes, right hand side में लिखने का ketone. So you can just compare the method of preparations and you'll come to know what is the difference in the method, so that you will understand it well. I hope it is clear. Okay, I have made two partitions. यहाँ पे I'll write aldehydes, वहाँ पे I'll write ketones. Now, so the very first method of preparation, we have done it in the lesson alcohol. I have not explained again. If it is a primary alcohol, on oxidation will give you an aldehyde. Which is oxidizing agents? As we have seen in the lesson alcohols, we can use different oxidizing agents like K2Cr2O7, dilute H2SO4, Kn like HNO3 है, PCC है, PDC है. So these are the different oxidizing agents which can be used for the reaction. Now, when we need to stop the reaction at the aldehyde, then we use the oxidizing agent like PCC, that is a mild oxidizing agent. Otherwise, if you are using K2Cr2O7, because it is a strong oxidizing agent, the aldehyde will be further oxidized to form the corresponding carboxylic acid. Now, अगर कीटोन प्रिपेयर करने का है बाय द ऑक्सीडेशन मेथड, देन इट्स अ सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, उसका ऑक्सीडेशन अगर किया, देन यू आर गेटिंग अ कीटोन. I have explained the method of preparation in the lesson alcohol, so I am not going to explain again in this lecture. We proceed with the next. Now again, these two methods of preparations we have done in already 11th standard. I'll just revise it. Again, यहाँ पे aldehydes है, वहाँ पे ketones है. It is the ozonolysis method. It is from the unsaturated hydrocarbon. See, if it is ethene reacting with ozone, the ozone molecule gets added across the double bond. I have told you, if you remember, the reaction with ozone is used to find the exact position of the double bond in the given structure. Now, what is this? This is ethylene ozonide. When further reacted with zinc in the presence of water, what do we get is, we get two molecules of methanol. Formaldehyde, that is methanol. Okay, now by the same method, अगर मुझे ketone prepare करने का है तो try to understand what is the difference in the aldehyde and the ketone. Ketone and aldehyde में क्या difference है? Aldehyde में the carbonyl is attached to H, whereas in ketone H is replaced by R. So what I have done here is I have replaced H by R. Okay, that is the alkyl group. Write down the reaction and see what is the name of the reactant. It is 2,3-dimethyl butene which is present. It is reacting with ozone. What will you get? You will get two molecules of acetone. Do write the reaction and see. We have done this method in 11th standard. Now, same unsaturated hydrocarbons ka, if it is ethyne, this is ethyne, hydration, when it was in the presence of 1% of HgSO4 and sulfuric acid, if you remember, what do I get? We get, this is vinyl alcohol. It is called as enol, ene double bond, all OH. So it is called as enol, where there is a migration of a proton. What is that called as? Tautomerism, migration of proton converted to ethanol. So this was the method again which we had done in 11th standard. By this I am getting a aldehyde. अगर मुझे ketone चाहिए by the same method, what should I proceed with? I have written the reaction of propyne, same hydration, conditions remaining same, but the difference is because it is a unsymmetrical alkyne, it will be according to Markovnikov rule, and then again the keto-enol system converted to propanone, and this isomerism, it is called as tautomerism, where there is a migration of proton. So this is how we are going to write the method of preparations of aldehydes and ketones. In the next lecture, we proceed with the next.